Guys, welcome back to my channel. To go Kimberly. So I'm gonna do a hair tutorial with a hair piece that I got from Wish a long time ago. It's actually this one. I showed in a video what I got from Wish, and I ordered this hair piece. It's long and it's black, and I want to do a hair tutorial with it because I think I love doing hair tutorial with hair pieces. And it's like this with a little claw, so you just stick it to your head and stuff. It doesn't really match my hair, but I'm just gonna do a hair tutorial on it. I don't wear this because my hair is not this black, but I got it because I'm planning to dye my hair black so it can match, so I can start wearing it. Because yeah, and it has a weird smell to it. I don't know what kind of smell I got, but it's a weird smell. But anyways, so I'm going to do hair tutorial with this. So the things that I'm going to be using is, of course, some water, a brush, the gel, and some bobby pins, and a hair tie that I have going on here. And I'm using my ring light, so hope this looks good. But anyways, let's get started. So the first thing is to get this hair ready and get it nice. This is my hair. I took a shower last night, so this is my hair. So now I'm just gonna brush it because that's what I like to do. Now for this hair, I love to pick this side here, and I like to do it sideways like that because that's what I like to do. Brush it and also add some water to it. It's just as an example of how to wear this hair ponytail. So a lot of people wear it with not making anything on front here, and it just looks weird. But this is just an idea of what you guys can do if you guys have a hair piece. So I'm gonna go ahead with my gel. I know this looks weird. I like to do it sideways like this. And now what I like to do is like to grab and start twisting it like that. Like that. And start bobby pin it down. Like that. And now you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Grab a little bit of gel. Now I heard that if you use gel and water, the hair piece matches in your hair. So that's what I like to do. And now do the same thing. You're going to twist it like that. Like that. And bobby pin it down. And just start bobby pinning it the other way like that. So you have something like this going on. Twist here and a twist here. Now the remaining hair, we're going to go ahead and grab it, and we're going to add water on the back because I like to tame all my hair. Because I have just baby hairs who are just sticking out. So now I'm going to do this. And now you're going to grab it and you're going to do it a bun. So you're going to twist a little bun like this. Like that. You're going to grab the elastic and you're going to tie it as tight as you want to so the hair sticks in there. So now you have a little twisty like that. And now we're gonna go within our hair. You can put it like that, like that. I haven't brushed it yet, but I don't want to brush it because it's just gonna be really bad. But anyways, now you're gonna open the claw and you're just gonna go ahead and put it like if you're like you're just gonna stick it to the bun that you made, so it's really stick in there, and you have yourself a nice beautiful do, which I think it looks really cute. It doesn't match, I know, I figured that out already. So now that you have that, you can just fix the hair here, you know, make it cute. Add some hairspray if you want to, and you are done. That's how quick this hairstyle is. It is super simple. So let me turn around like that. You're gonna wear it like that, a hairpiece. The other side like that. You can wear it as high as you want to, like over here, or I don't recommend you to use it low just because it's not, I don't think it's great. But this is a simple do. I seriously love this hairstyle. I mean, I wish I had my hair like this. I would be so happy. But yeah, this is what you have here. You have a nice do, super simple and easy to do. It didn't even take an hour, didn't take long, super easy. So yeah, so I love this hair piece, and I hope you guys enjoy this hair tutorial. If you guys did, put a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'm going back to making videos because of the last video I made of my dog who had surgery. Right now he's sleeping, so I'm I'm like doing a video because he's sleeping, because I just gave him his pill, so he's sleeping right now, and I need to make videos for you guys. So hope you guys enjoy this. Subscribe and push that notification bell so you guys won't miss none of my videos. Have a wonderful day today. Stay safe, stay beautiful, and smile, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.